How to remove sound from video on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. From this page, open any video you want. Go to the bottom panel and tap on the edit icon. Over here, you can edit the video using the edit options below. For example, crop. If you want to turn off the sound, go to the top left corner and tap on the volume icon. You have now muted this video. Once you're done, tap on Done at the top right corner. You can now share this video with your friends on different platforms without sound. Following these steps, you can easily remove sound from video on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.